Hi, I'm Dear Franz, and let us see today how to draw on any object in Blender. This is our Blender project, this is our object. Let us increase it a little bit. I'm holding S. Okay, so the object is selected and let us choose shader editor. Okay, I will add texture, image texture. And this is our new image texture, and I will connect its color with base color of our object. Okay, now let's see, we have two possibilities. The first possibility is to open from our computer the texture we downloaded before from internet or we created in Photoshop or any other editor. And the second is to create new image texture, and we are going to go this way. So we have to choose the name of a texture. Let it be AAA. I am not changing those parameters. Color. Let's click here and we see the color. What can it be? So it can be black, or we can choose from here. I'm choosing something like red, maybe. Okay, that's it. Let's choose OK, click OK, and let's go on this panel to texture paint. Decreasing a little bit. This is our object, this is our cube. So let's draw. Our brush parameters. Radius is a little bit like big. I'm sliding a little bit left, holding left click of my mouse. I think it will be better now. Strength I'm not touching, and I did right click of my mouse to choose the color of our brush. Let it be yellow. Okay, now let's draw. Here something like this, like that, like this, like this. Okay, others are not visible. And everything is done, but for example, you are doing something with your object, animation is good, modeling. Oh, cannot see your texture. So you have to go here and to change in color tables, materials to texture. Yes, we can. It's visible. Let's go to sculpturing. The same thing. Let's do it one more time. Okay. I think it's nice. So that's it. Thank you for staying with me and hope to see you soon. Bye.